Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install PostgreSQL 13 on Windows operating system. Go to postgresql.org, then click on download, then click on Windows, then click on download the installer. It has redirected to enterprise downloads. At present we have latest stable version is 13.1. Click on download. Download will automatically start. See, download has been started. See, download has been started. Download completed. Then click on this PostgreSQL 13.1-1 Windows 64 exe file. It is asking permission. Click on yes. This is the welcome screen to set up PostgreSQL. Click on next. This is the default installation directory. If you want to install on some other, then select by clicking on this button. I am going with default location. Select the components and click on next. First one is PostgreSQL Server and second is pgadmin4 and third is Stack Builder. Stack Builder is used to install extra components. Then command line tools. I am going to install all components. Then click on next. We have to provide data directory. Again I am going with the defaults. Provide the password for super user. Here super user means Postgres. Then click on next. Provide the port number. Default port number for PostgreSQL Server is 5432. Then click on next. Select the local settings and click on next. This is the pre-installation summary. Go through them and if you want to modify anything, then go back and modify. If these are fine with you, then click on next to start installation. Next. I am pausing until this installation completes. We have successfully installed PostgreSQL Server 13 on Windows 10 operating system. I don't want to launch Stack Builder at this time. Then click on Finish. To complete installation, it is asking us to restart the computer. Click on Restart. Once we have successfully restarted, let's verify the PostgreSQL Server status. Windows run, then services.msc or go to programs and search for services. Click on services app. Press P. Then see here. See PostgreSQL x64 13. Its status is running. And if you want to restart, then click on this restart button. If you want to stop, then click on this stop button. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Go to programs and scroll down to PostgreSQL 13C. Here we have SQL shell, that is PSQL. Then provide the host name. Here host name is localhost. Database is default database, that is Postgres. Port number 5432. Username also Postgres. And provide password for this user. Password is which we have created at the time of installation. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL Server. Let's verify the connection info. We have connected to Postgres database, the user Postgres, on the host localhost, and port is 5432. There is a syntax error. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 13.1 version. Immediately, suppose if you want to create a database, use the command create database name. Let's verify this database has been created or not by using /l meta command. See, we have successfully created a database R2 schools and the owner name is Postgres. Also we can get the databases information by using dat name. Select dat name from pg_database. So in this video we have seen how to download and install PostgreSQL Server on Windows operating system. Then we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL Server. For more PostgreSQL videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.